Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters right here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm Gary.Christiance, but you probably know me for my videos. I'm the van guy. Serving you since 1981, 2017 Lexor on the Dodge Pro-Ram chassis, 26,000 miles. I know, hold your heart, you've been waiting for it. We've got some used models in to show you. Let's pop inside first and we'll take a look on the inside. Control panels right here. Got all your light controls. Nice wide step to get in. As all pleasure ways, they have ultra leather memory foam, so they're very comfortable. So your electric sofa that has seat belts in the back can be laid down flat, and you have nice twin beds. You take these two cushions, fill in the center, and you got a queen bed. Really nice. This has got a TV set that swings around, DVD player, 450 watt inverter right up there to run all that. Got plenty of storage all the way across, as well as here in the back. That's all the owner's information. Great amount of storage. And if you take a look right here, you've got an electrical outlet as well as the control panel for your solar panel up on top. So that's charging your batteries. Circuit breakers and fuses are down here. Carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, propane detector. All those detectors get me silly. Furnace is down here, runs on propane. A lot of people like this Lexor because of the refrigerator. Nice big refrigerator. Freezers up on top. Controls are all up in here, easy to handle. Recessed 2-burner stove. Microwave convection oven. Nice storage drawer there. There's my sink cover for the undermounted sink. Single lever faucet. Nice workspace. This is similar to a Plateau FL floor plan where the kitchen's right here by the door, which makes it very nice. Right below your GFI 110 outlet, you got two nice storage areas. Water pumps down here. That's easy to get to, so if you ever had to do any work on it, it's easily accessible. So behind door number one, you've got your closet area, a couple drawers, and the boards that go in the back to make up your bed. If you want to step over here, I'll swing this open. Nice sized bathroom, got plenty of storage over here, a vanity, solid surface countertop, medicine cabinets in here, towel racks in the back, and it's a wet bath, but you've got a shower curtain that comes over and protects the stuff inside. You're going to sit down, rinse, turn it off, put it in the sink, scrub up and rinse off. They got storage right up here. A fair amount of good storage area. This seat swivels around. You got power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It's got a lot of cup holders. It's got 3 down below, 1 up here, and 1 on each door. So it's got a lot of storage in here. This has the most visibility of any of the chassis that we have, and it has a much tighter turning radius than anything else, even the Sprinters. It's phenomenal. It handles really good. 6-cylinder front wheel drive. Let's pop outside. Nice big entry space, nice running board, plenty of room. Of course, you don't have to worry about a step going in or out. It's just there. Electric awning, LED porch light, fresh water. Got a power outlet here if you're plugged in. Got a hitch in the back. Your propane's right down here. That's a gas outlet if you want to run a barbecue, and the big yellow round one is to fill it for propane. It's a frame mounted tank, so you don't have to worry about taking the tank in and getting it filled. You just pull up and they fill it. Backup camera is located right up here for good visibility. You do have storage in the rear. 2017 they put the spare in here. 2018 they let the spare out. Go figure. There's a lot of storage down below. Can even put a stinger in the receiver if you wanted to hang your spare tire out back. That's the exhaust for your generator. It's a 2800 watt Onan gas operated generator. Exhaust and intake for your furnace. That's the vent for your refrigerator, and this is the service entrance. Hot water heater, utility center, 110 cord city water to turn your propane on and off, as well as cable TV. Outdoor shower. This is where your sewer dump is, and there's a container down below to put your sewer hose. It takes regular gasoline. The fill's right up here. And last but not least, I want to point out these mirrors are controlled on the top as well as the bottom. And then if you hit a button, the mirror goes in. So if you're in a tight parking spot, the mirror's out of the way. Short video, I'm sure you got questions. Well, give the van guy a call. You can call me direct at 541-554-9581. My email's down below on the screen. I look forward to talking to you. Thank you. Have a good day.